Hello. Hey, my people. Una don't refuse to share my video. Share my video, like my video, follow my page. If you share my video, people will see it on your page and they will follow me. You need to do this. This is why you know me, and this is why I know you. Share this video. As you follow me here, make sure you are sharing my video. Thank you for all my fans. You are trying your best, but you have to try them more. Don't be angry with my videos. Don't be angry. If you start watching my video, don't stop watching it until you finish the video. Start it, finish it. If you finish watching my video, make sure you leave a comment on my video. You hear me? Hold your ears. Make sure there is a comment. You share it, you comment on it, and I'll come back to reply you. Don't tell me, we are the one that started it. So better to start it now. I never see your big hand. Now small hand that they see, and I want to see your big hand. Hey, when you see my videos, when you pass and share these videos, allow your children to watch my video. Yes, let your own children watch my video.